What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a good day. So everybody that follows all my social media channels, you know I'm on the way to Mini Trucking Nationals, and I actually got here last night, which would be Wednesday. So we checked into the hotel and stuff, and yeah, it's now Thursday morning. It's vendor setup day because I'm a vendor there, but we had to make another trip. We took a 10-hour trip yesterday to Maggie Valley. We're in the trailer right now, but only some merch in there. All the merch is actually up on the shelves and stuff, but we're missing a truck. So we came to get the truck. You guys know I haven't seen my C-10 since October, I guess was the last show we took it to, which was C-10 Revival. Hadn't seen it since then. It's been getting a bunch of work done to it. We had some issues with it that we were fixing, electrical issues and stuff. And today's the day we're picking it up. So I drove an hour and a half west of Maggie Valley this morning to Granite Falls, to Justin's house, to come grab the truck. So I drove out here all the way to Maggie Valley and now to Granite Falls with an empty trailer. We're gonna put the truck in the back. We're gonna take it to Mini Trucking Nationals, go have an awesome weekend as a vendor and show the truck. I'm excited to see the truck because I haven't seen it in 6 months. I really don't know what all's been done to it. He said it's drivable, it's ready to go. We'll have some minor things that we still need to get done to it, which I'll bring the truck back in a couple months, and we'll finish up the AC and the heat and some little color match things and any of the minor adjustments we got to make and stuff. But he says truck's drivable, ready to cruise and all that, so that's gonna be awesome. This is the third year in a row we're showing it at Mini Trucking Nationals. Showed it as a raw frame on billet wheels the first year. Second year was powder coated frame, body on, motor in, no bumpers or headlights or grills or anything like that. Truck wasn't running. And then this year we're gonna roll it out in this thing and should be cruising the strip with it and let all of you guys enjoy it that have been following this truck for 3 years now. So I'm excited. We're here, light at the end of the tunnel finally. Not done, but drivable and enjoyable. Justin's on his way back to the house right now. I'm over at his shop, Classic Auto Body, and we're gonna go wash the truck and get this thing loaded in the trailer. I'll give you guys a walk around of it as soon as I get eyes on this thing.